Good morning, everyone. This is me, Teacher Sharmina Saleda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about exploring Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 program. In this lesson, you should be able to define what is a presentation and illustrate the ways in creating and opening existing presentation and saving a presentation. A presentation is the short term for a Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 or any version of Microsoft PowerPoint that you have on your computer devices. It is the finished product of your work in Microsoft PowerPoint program. There are different steps in saving and closing the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. First, if you want to save your work just like this presentation on your computer devices, the file or the tab that you are going to select is the File tab. Okay? After selecting the File tab, as you can see, you can view now the menu of the File tab. Now, we are going to save our created presentation. We are going to choose the file or the option Save As for us to be able to save the presentation in our computer devices. Select Save As. After selecting Save As, you are going to choose what type of folder you are going to save your presentation. For example, I should say, I'm going to choose the desktop folder. After choosing the desktop folder, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen, and you are now able to enter your preferred file name for your presentation. For example, I'm going to name my presentation as Skills Demo Charmin Zaleda, or I can even rename it into Skills Demo. I'm just going to delete my full name here in the file name, and after that I can save the presentation into Skills Demo. After that, just make sure that you are going to select the specific, or you're going to save the presentation on the specific folder that you want, I should say, that you want to save it. For example, select desktop folder. After selecting desktop folder, we're going to select save. After selecting save, as you can see, it will load for a couple of minutes or seconds. And as you can see here on the title area of our presentation, you can now view the name of our file, which is Skills Demo. That is the way, or these are the steps on how you are going to save your presentation on your computer devices. The next step is we are going to close the presentation. For you to be able to close the presentation, you're just going to select the close button. After selecting the close button, the presentation that you have created is totally closed or totally saved on your computer devices. These are the different steps in saving a presentation and closing a window of presentation in your computer devices. Once again, this is Teacher Charmina Zaleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.